Growing up in the arts was an incredible outlet for me to express myself when I didn't have the words. It gave me a chance to discover who I was through dance, through music. It was super integral in my growth as a person, as a contributor to the society. You learn about the world in a way that you can't learn in a textbook and you can't learn in a history class. Tapping into this is incredibly important, especially for someone who grew up very, very shy. The confidence that you gain from understanding a dance step or learning a song, playing an instrument, that's a power that you don't discover unless you are exposed to it in a music classroom or in a dance class. So this is incredibly important for our future generations because these are our future leaders, these are our future teachers, and in order for them to fully take in the world, especially in this time right now, in these uncertain times, and it's only getting worse, the access to creativity is of utmost importance. It will only make our society richer and more empathetic and more loving and more understanding of each other.